everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to bring you guys my CVS haul. Now, there's not a lot of great deals this week. It's kind of a slow week, and I have decided that I'm going to only use my one card. A lot of you guys don't like it that I use two cards, and for me it's kind of confusing. I feel like I spend more time trying to figure out what card to use and do the math, and it's just confusing, and I've just decided I'm going to stick with my first original card. That card, I've used it longer, I get more extra care bucks, so yeah. I also had to I went to the store last night to print off my extra care bucks to use from last week since I didn't go to CVS, so I did that, and then I basically did the same thing today. So basically now the machine lets me scan my card 3 times. So I scan it 3 times and then it says, hey, super saver, whatever, you're all printed out. Well, then what I did is I entered my phone number and more came out. I entered my phone number again and more came out of the CRTs. Then I'm like, okay, hopefully I'm done. Well, I checked my app and there was still more on my app. And then when I bought stuff, more printed off. So it's like they're really like limiting or something, but I just like to have the physical piece of paper so when I take pictures for you guys can kind of see what I use. So they're getting a little bit better, but yeah. And I also found out that my store, their hours changed back to what they were. Like they were changing them and now they changed them back. So yeah, so I did get a couple things. With my old card, I'm actually just gonna buy some like crap here and there, and just get rid of it. Once I get rid of all my extra care bucks, I'm just gonna totally get rid of it, cancel it and everything. So the first deal I ended up getting is the Aussie shampoo and conditioner. Now there was one that was $3.99 and the rest were $4.99, and I ended up getting all the ones that were $4.99 because I wanted to use a extra care buck that I had. So these were $4.99. They were buy one get one 40% off. So I used a 2 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. Plus I had a 3 off of 12 hair care, and then I also had a 50-cent app coupon for Aussie. So I ended up paying, or you guys would get these for $7.47, but then you would get a $5 extra care buck, making it $2.47 or just 82 cents a piece. I do like Aussie. I like their hairspray a lot, so I was pretty excited to do that deal. I did the Eucerin. I feel like I've been getting Eucerin every single week. Like, you guys, how much lotion do we need? It is dry season, so I bet you during the summertime they won't have this deal, but I don't know. So this little guy was $6.79 and this one was $13.79. You guys want to use 2 $3 off coupons that you guys can use. You also want to use a 2 off of 8 CRT that I had a 2 off of 8 Eucerin Aquaphor CRT, and then I also had a 3 off of 10 any lotion CRT. So I paid $9.58 for both of these, but then you guys will get a $10 extra care buck back, making them free and a 42-cent moneymaker. So if you guys want to go ahead and do that, definitely go ahead and do that. Okay guys, sorry, my camera died. The next deal that I did, my mom is shopping with me today, so I had her pick out stuff that she wanted because I don't need all this stuff. So she's been trying to find this lipstick. Like, we went and searched everywhere for it when we've gone places, but we finally found one of her favorite lipsticks that she likes. But this is the CoverGirl lipstick. These were $8.99. They're buy 2, you get a $5 extra care buck. Where did I write this down? Yeah, so I ended up using 2 $2 off coupons. I have enough mascara. I don't need a lot of that stuff, but she wanted this. So I'm like, whatever. I had a 5 off of 20 CoverGirl CRT that I used. So you guys would pay $8.98 if you go ahead and get these. But then you get $5 extra care buck, making it $3.98. So about $2 a piece. So she's like, that's a pretty good deal, which to her it's a pretty good deal. It's not as good of a deal to me, but still a pretty good deal. So I got her those. I also got the Revlon makeup. We got 2 different kinds. She picked out this one. This was $8.79 and this was $12.49. I used 2 $3 off coupons that we got from our inserts like 2 weeks ago. I used a 5 off of 20 Revlon CRT that I had, and then I also had a $4 off CRT that printed from the red machine today. So I paid $6.28 for the both of these, but then you guys would get a $5 extra care buck, making it $1.28 or just 64 cents a piece. So I think that's a pretty good deal. So now she is swimming in lipstick for the next couple months. And then I ended up getting this last deal. I ended up getting the paparazzi. These were 2 for $5. You guys would pay $5 for this, but then you guys would get a $4 extra care buck, making it $1. So 50 cents a piece. That's always like that deal. And then since I didn't go shopping last week, I ended up picking my 8x10. I ended up getting another picture of Miss Charlotte. I'm trying to see if Walgreens or CVS is a little bit better. So we'll see what quality it is, but otherwise if not, I'm gonna probably give the other one to my mother. So we got that. But that was everything that I got, you guys. It was kind of sad. I was gonna get the Gillette razors and I'm like, nope, not cheap enough. And then I'm just like, whatever. So my total came to $11.10 for everything. I ended up using $43 worth of extra care bucks, but I ended up getting $29 back. So I didn't save a lot, but you know what? I'm still okay because I barely paid anything. I also did pay with my Flues app, you guys. So what I also do before I'm going to CVS is I'll actually buy a $10 gift card. Now with the Flues, you guys get 3 vouchers when you join, and then anytime you can get somebody to click under your referral, you get a voucher also. You get more vouchers. So I ended up buying a $10 instant gift card from the Flues app. So I did that and I ended up getting $3.50 back from, you know, the percentage that you get. So it's a cash back app. So I technically got, you know, I used my $10 gift card. I didn't even use all of it, and I got $3.50 back from the app that just keeps on rolling. So if you guys do that, definitely click the link below. If I can get more people to join, I will be doing another giveaway. So yes, but my total came to $15.10. I got 12 items for $15.10. I think that's a pretty good deal. And if you think about it, like those lipsticks are expensive already. So 12 items at $1.25 a piece. So it wasn't the greatest haul, but I'm pretty excited with what I got. You know, I wanted to get out and get some stuff since I couldn't. We were in a snowstorm yesterday or last weekend. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all next week, hopefully for a better CVS haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.